y'all, I'm gonna be doing my first mukbang video. Actually my first ever YouTube video on this channel here. Life with Katie B.
She wants to be like them people on TV. She wants to look like them girls in the magazines. She got big dreams. She see herself on the big screen. She asks, do you love me? I say you're just right. Absolutely, I love you just the way you are, girl. You don't have to change. You don't have to do a thing. No, just the way.
My mother over here decided on getting Charlie's Bakery for me for my mukbang. It's Charlie's Kitchen, and this is an awesome place she found. They have pies that sort of taste like Indian pies. They have freaking chicken nipples, bruh, chicken nipples, and you'll see when we get there.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Hey guys, we made it to Charlie's Kitchen. About to get some pies, some chicken nipples. Woohoo! So excited for this mukbang, guys. And this is my first time going out in public with a camera, so this is pretty weird, you know what I'm saying? Charlie's Kitchen, guys. I'll show you some of their pies actually. What's their menu?
Yes. Delicious.
Hey y'all, we finally got home. This is what I'm about to eat. I feel like it's not much, but I got one of each pie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pies here. The Chinese and the wontons. My pies are... I'm just gonna get into it. Alright, guys. Let's get to it. To be honest, I have tried food at this place before, and their pies are so good. I know Australian pies are like crap, like kill me now. But my mum found this place. I don't know how she found it. She just normally does her Googles and we go try new places. But this time I'm actually gonna record it.
2,000 years.
This is mint, guys. Mint. The egg fouillon is on point. It's so creamy. It's so creamy. I love it. Oh my god. You want to try this sweet and sour? It looks a bit discolored, but this is good. It tastes too bad. So I'm gonna start with the... their pork And watercress, guys. Pork and watercress. I didn't even think they existed, but pork and watercress, A1. This is the pie. Soft bottom, crusty. Just how I like it. Right. I'm living in Melbourne right now, Australia. I feel like it's a really depressing state now. It's not too bad. I moved here from New Zealand about 2 years ago, just over 2 years ago. This pie is so good. Okay, I'm gonna admit, the last time I got these chicken nibbles, they weren't that great. Right now, on point. So now that this is gonna be my first ever YouTube video on this channel, I have so many ideas that I feel like I can do. I feel like I can do covers or no singing. So just like comment down below whatever like ideas of covers you guys want me to do. Once I can start producing my own music, once I get like my resources. What else? I was having to do reaction videos, pranks on my family, you know, being someone. I'm gonna get a hiding every time I try and do a prank. I'm gonna be doing food reviews, mukbangs. So right now this is a food review thing and a mukbang. So, you know what I'm saying? And so far they are so good. Maybe every weekend I can start doing different videos, you know. Oh, makeup as well. Mind you, I'm not good at makeup, alright? So leave me alone. And for those that come at people for eating chicken like this, leave me alone. Now I'm gonna try the butter chicken pie.
So yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up.
No, 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 no.
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
I think I'm done because like
Okay.
so this was a fail mukbang. I'm so done. I only had 3 pies, some Chinese, a bit of chicken skin, and some chips, and 3 chicken nipples out of 18. 3 or 4. This is quite sad. Let me show y'all. So I only ate a bit of that chicken. 3 pies. I'm gonna go ahead and close up this video, guys, but thank you so much for watching and tune in to my next video. And I hope you guys really enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and you know, if you're in Melbourne, go check this place out. If you come to Melbourne, check this place out. If you want to give it a try, give it a rate, or whatever, go for it. I really love their food, but I'm too full for this, you know what I'm saying? Like, the old me could do this, but not now.
Not today.
Now, give me ideas on what you guys want me to try next.